Coconut oil is incredibly popular, and for good reason. It's also an extremely versatile oil with a number of uses you may not be aware of. It's a top superfood, it makes a great cooking oil, and its numerous benefits extend to being a form of natural medicine and being used in beauty treatments. Here are 15 clever uses for coconut oil. Number 1. Makeup remover. Coconut oil is a safe and gentle makeup remover, even for the delicate area around your eyes. Not only it gets rid of waterproof substances with ease, but it also leaves your skin smooth and soft. However, make sure your coconut oil is organic, as otherwise you risk clogging your pores. Number 2. Skin moisturizer. Okay, it's not precisely a moisturizer, but its effects are remarkably similar. Coconut oil locks in moisture and helps its absorption. Applying a thin layer of coconut oil after your regular skincare routine ensures deeper hydration, and subsequently, a better result. When it comes to your body, apply coconut oil right after leaving the shower to lock in the hydration. Number 3. Relief to rosacea, eczema, and other skin afflictions. As a direct consequence of coconut oil's hydration properties, its ability to keep moisture also makes it ideal for treating extremely dry skin, a symptom of many skin conditions. Similarly, its potent anti-inflammatory effect makes it highly effective against rosacea and eczema, while plenty of its active components soothe irritation and reduce redness. Number 4. Cooking at high heat. Coconut oil is high in saturated fat, a type of fat that does not turn toxic when exposed to high temperatures. Similarly, it takes a lot to burn, meaning that it can last up to 8 hours of continuous heat exposure without losing its quality. Subsequently, it's ideal for pan frying, deep frying, stir frying, and other types of high-heat cooking. Number 5. Insect repellent. Some of the components within coconut oil, such as lauric acid and capric acid, have strong repellent properties against mosquitoes, ticks, bedbugs, and other pests and critters. Subsequently, it makes for a healthier, non-toxic alternative to commercial products. Add some drops of citronella essential oil to virgin coconut oil and apply on exposed skin every few hours for maximum effectiveness. Number 6. Fat substitute during baking. Coconut oil makes for a full, healthier, and vegan substitution for any fat used during baking. To replace butter, use it in its solid state, while you can use its liquid form to replace oil. Its substitute rate is 1:1, so you don't need to convert the quantities of your recipe. Just be warned, butter has a small percentage of water, and coconut oil does not, so your cookies may come out a bit crispier. Number 7. Lip balm. Due to its pro-moisturizing properties, coconut oil makes for an excellent DIY lip balm. It hydrates and protects your lips from the elements, creating a barrier that shields your lips from damaging agents. For extra benefit, you can combine it with other beneficial substances, such as cocoa butter and olive oil. Number 8. Body scrub and foot rub. The richness of coconut oil makes it the perfect primary substance for an all-natural exfoliator. Add white sugar, organic coconut sugar, or ground coffee beans to make a face, body, or foot scrub to remove dead skin cells. Similarly, apply organic coconut oil on cracked heels to reduce dryness and eliminate bacteria. Number 9. Furniture polish. Wood, metal, and granite are some of the surfaces that can get a new lustrous look with the help of coconut oil. Not only it will make your surfaces shiny and smooth, but it will also cover scratches and reduce dust accumulation. For best use, rub it on the surface gently and wipe it with a clean cloth afterward. Number 10. Antifungal treatment. Many of the active components in coconut oil boast of strong antibiotic and antifungal properties. Applying topically on top of the affected area can treat skin fungus, athlete's foot, ringworm, and even candida. Similarly, coconut oil mixed with frankincense and lavender is a fantastic wound salve, keeping the affected area free of any potential infection. Number 11. Gum remover. So that chewing gum made its way to your or your child's hair. Now what? Grab a spoonful of coconut oil and apply it carefully over the hair and gum tangle. Gentle rubbing should be enough to solve the issue without scissors. This method also works with gum stuck on furniture and other surfaces. Number 12. Baby ointment. Coconut oil's anti-inflammatory properties can also soothe diaper rash and other painful skin conditions on babies. All natural and gentle, it will reduce the swelling, itching, and burn within minutes. Apply regularly around the vulnerable area to avoid further irritation, since the thick oil acts as a barrier, not to mention it does not ruin cloth nappies. Number 13. Sun protection. It may seem a contradiction, but coconut oil can also protect your skin from the sun, as long as it's used correctly. While it's not strong enough to work as standalone sunscreen, its natural SPF of 4 to 5 can be a useful assistant. In the case of sunburn, rub coconut oil into the affected area to stimulate healing and reduce swelling. Number 14. Coffee creamer. Are you lactose intolerant? Worry not. Coconut oil is quite the wonderful coffee creamer. Add a spoonful of coconut oil to your daily coffee and enjoy the rich, tropical touch it provides. Best part? It also speeds up your metabolism, increases your energy levels, and helps you have regular bowel movements. Number 15. Hair protection and growth stimulant. Daily washing, brushing, or ironing can damage your hair and strip it of the proteins it needs to look shiny and healthy. Applying coconut oil before or after washing your hair can lock in moisture and prevent protein loss, as well as stimulate growth and prevent hair loss. I hope you have enjoyed this video on 15 clever uses of coconut oil. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on 12 health benefits of coconut water. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.